Hi there, I'm Keren. Welcome to the Creative Team Expert Tips. So, you want to create an amazing video to engage your customers and get new business? Here's a few tricks to make your content pop. Want to make a multi-angle video filmed in different locations? Or maybe a single shot captured on your phone? The most important thing is to keep it short, focused, concise, and deliver a single clear message without anything that isn't absolutely necessary. Framing is the way to give your video the extra feel. Unless there's something important that you have to show by your side, always position yourself front and center. Talk directly to the camera and keep your head and shoulders in the frame. Unless you're bungee jumping off a cliff. Interviews and presentations can be more relaxed. You may want to scoot over and open up the frame to other objects and people. Be yourself, remember to smile, say cheese, have fun with it. There you have it, folks. Be sure to share with us what you come up with and stay tuned for more tricks of the trade.